record this to see this all happen, because this is honestly so entertaining.
Entertaining. Beep again.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Beep. Is that it?
I don't know.
Did it beep at you?
I don't think so. It didn't sound like it.
It sounded like it came to go over.
This is so funny.
I don't know. I just don't know.
It's over there.
Jesus.
This doesn't have batteries in it.
Oh, if it is that one, we are definitely being haunted.
That one doesn't have batteries in it either up there. I just took it out. Wait, I gotta put them back in because that's not the one.
Okay, so if we do find the one that's beeping and it doesn't have batteries in it, that means Papa and Nana are definitely messing with us. This is getting so annoying.
Can you go turn on this light for me, please?
How?
Okay.
What do you mean how? The light switch in the thing.
Beep again.
It's over here.
Yep.
It sounds like it's coming from the ceiling.
It does. It must be straight up. Okay. Get your butt out of the way.
Watch out, guys. Go, move.
It sounds like it's right, it's like through the wall.
I see it.
You do?
Yes.
Where?
In that damn red.
Bowl?
Yes. Oh my god.
I'm trying to see if I can see it through the camera. Ah!
Get your ass out here.
I swear, if it doesn't have batteries in it, I'm gonna scream.
I see it lighting up. Ah!
Oh god. Okay. Are you okay?
Yes. I just squatted. I'm okay.
I think you landed on a jingle bell.
No, he popped the...
I swear to God, if it beeps again.
If that thing beeps again, I'm running.
Alright.
That black thing back there, babe, that's my heater. It's the heater I was telling you about. Charlie, please move!
That's pretty big.
I swear, if that beeps again, I'm gonna scream.
It's done.
I recorded all of that.